Okay, now it's time for number 280, a beautiful pistachio and walnut concert scale banjo uke. The walnut is also from Gobi Walnut in Portland, Urban Salvage. Walnut block rim, brass hardware, Renaissance head, fluorocarbon strings, Godot tuners. This one's got a low 4th string instead of a high 4th string. Lovely. Feels great to play. And the low G is nice on a banjo uke too. I think I'm going to do a video next that compares these two instruments, low G and high G, so you can hear how they really sound side by side. So, number 280, happy to be ready to get out the door. Thanks a lot.